these are non-resilient floors, and I can tell you from experience that the one that I see floor finish put on the most of these is Terrazzo. And there are some organizations that are removing their floor finish and they're honing or grinding their Terrazzo. Ceramic tile in the upper left-hand corner shouldn't have floor finish on it at all. And some of you on this call, you're assuming buildings or floors that somebody else may have done something wrong to that floor. Also on ceramic tile, if floor finish is in the grout line, it is more than likely that you will never get it out. It's actually cheaper to replace the floor than it is to try to strip that floor. We're also seeing polished and stained concrete flooring. Those floors should not have floor finish on them either. And the reason why is that those floors over time, they breathe and they're constantly curing. And when I saw a couple of clients put floor finish on it, all of a sudden the moisture came up through the concrete and it made the floor finish look milky. And so non-resilient hard surface floors, in most instances, 95% of the cases, you should clean them, you should refer to the warranties, but honestly, floor finish does not belong on these floors. They were never, ever designed to be shiny, and a lot of people like the natural look. So when you're looking at flame granite floors, limestone, Mexican tile, there are very specific types of coatings that you can put on them. They're mostly referred to as impregnators, which can protect the stone. Same thing goes for marble, slate, quarry tile you mostly see at the back of the house, in the commissaries or in the restaurant areas. Terrazzo is a beautiful floor surface. A lot of schools have a lot of terrazzo, universities, older buildings. The terrazzo has probably gone through a lot of strip cycles, and it can have an impact on some of the materials that was used when the marble chips were added to the epoxies that the terrazzo was assembled with. We also see a lot of brick floors. Again, these are beautiful floors. We see it in casinos and some other areas. People put floor finish on it. Once the floors get into the stone, gets into the grout line, it's very, very difficult to get it out to snap it back to its natural look. So rule of thumb is try to keep water-based floor finishes off of non-resilient flooring, with the exception of the one picture here, which is the terrazzo surface. Most people do put some type of topical coating on that. There is a trend towards honing it now for people that are trying to come up with a more cost-effective floor care program.